Hello friends, Namaste. This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on Divit Tech. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my future videos. So in today's video, we are going to talk about DeX application. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, share your comments and share this video with your friends. So let's look at the product. Today we are going to look at the DeX application for Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So if you are an Apple user like me who has an iPhone and a MacBook and want to use the Samsung device with your computer, with your laptop, with your MacBook, and you are wondering how would you use it, there's a simple app called DeX. You download and install it, and the moment you connect your Samsung device to your MacBook, it will launch this app called DeX, which probably you can see here. So that's pretty much it. The app launches and you can use it in a window or you can turn it to a full screen mode, and that's your DeX app from your Samsung device. I can look at all the apps that I installed on my Samsung phone. Right now I'm testing this with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, and as you can see, all the apps are here. So let's go ahead and take a look. I can look at the files that are here in this phone. Currently I don't have anything in the photos, so let's go ahead and click a photo here in this phone. So as you can see, the moment I click the picture, it's here in the laptop. Let me go ahead and click another one. That's good. So for the days like where I want to edit a document in my phone and it's difficult, I can simply connect my phone to my laptop and make the required changes. So if you're an Apple user like me and want to connect your Samsung device to your MacBook, all you have to do is launch this DeX app, connect your Samsung phone to your MacBook, and there you go. You have your full phone access on the MacBook. You can go to a particular app or a document, modify the document in the phone. You can operate your entire phone. That's amazing. So that's how you use your Samsung phone with your MacBook as a CPU, as a source. Now considering your phone has 12 to 16 GB of RAM and so much of disk space, you may not want to keep a copy of each file in the laptop as well as the phone. So this is where this app comes in handy. I can go out, record videos with my phone, come back, edit them here, upload them right from my phone to the YouTube or wherever I want to, and I don't have to create multiple copies. I don't have to do multiple copy, paste, migrate and move the files across. This is an amazing app. I didn't have to do much. I just installed the app, went through a few steps and boom, it's all set. So that was my review on using the DeX app with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G phone. Let me know your reviews if you have tried something new or if you would like to see something specific beyond what I've just shown. So that's it. So hope to see you again in my some other video. Till then, goodbye.